Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about what are the different types of commercial door closers. So with commercial door closers, the main type that you see is the surface mount commercial door closer. It's a hydraulic door closer that is designed to mount in three different ways, either regular standard mount, top jam mount, or parallel arm mount. Depending on the type of door you have, whether it's storefront aluminum, commercial wood, or hollow metal, varies on how it's installed. As an example, the majority of storefront doors you see will either be a parallel mount installation with a drop plate or a top jam installation. Whereas with the hollow metal and wood, you see a lot of times just the standard mount installation. But this type of door closer is very easy to identify because it's mounted, like I said, to the surface of the door or the frame, so it's very visible to the eye. And they usually are, a door closer usually have a cover on it. However, if it's a slimmer door closer, it may not, and it's just more of a rectangular shape, cast aluminum closure device. The second type of door closer you might come across is a overhead concealed door closer. Its shape is different than that of a surface mount door closer. It's more of a flat shape with kind of two cylinders that house the two springs. It's used essentially in storefront doors, and it's not made so much for a retrofit. It's designed into the actual door frame. So with overhead concealed door closer, it's not visible to the eye. It's mounted within the top of the door frame, concealed. And you're going to come across those more through buildings where the architect has spec'd it. Like I said, if your door has a surface mount door closer, it's not going to be feasible for you to replace that surface mount door closer and put in an overhead concealed door closer. Overhead concealed door closers are planned and actually designed within the manufacturer's door frame. And lastly, the third commercial door closer you might come across is that of a floor door closer, a floor closer. And what that is that's actually mounted within the floor. Usually they'll have a nice cover plate that'll be stainless steel or maybe some other finish, but it's mounted within the floor. And that's a popular choice on, I would say, specialty doors or upper end doors, such as doors with curved where the top of the door is curved and rounded, where a surface mount door closer wouldn't be feasible or an overhead concealed door closer wouldn't be feasible. So their only alternative is to go with a floor mounted closer. All three closers, whether it be surface mount, overhead concealed, or floor, serve their own specific purpose, whether it be for the actual look and design of the building and the door, or just for what the architect spec'd. But there are a variety of other door closers in the residential door industry. At Automatic Door and Hardware, we're primarily a commercial door and hardware manufacturer, although some of our products probably could cross over, to some residential applications, but the majority of our products are designed specifically for commercial applications. With that being said, if you have any other questions about commercial door closers or the various types, feel free to email us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com. We do sell our own line of commercial door closers. We call it the Commando commercial door closer line. It's commercial grade, heavy duty, and super easy to install. All of our door closers, surface mount, come tri-pack, so you can install it top jam, parallel mount, or standard. Whatever you need to do. And I'll put a link below. Thanks, guys. Bye.